hearing subsequently.
Meghalaya Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering Marcus N. Marak has blamed improper planning in some of the projects in the initial stage for the delay of the implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission in the state. Elaborating on this, he said that there were problems with retrofitting that created hurdles in the beginning for implementation of the project in Meghalaya. The centre has set a target of connecting all rural households in the country with the tap water under the ambitious Jal Jeevan mission, and Meghalaya is trying to achieve that target by December 2023. So far, the JJM coverage in the state is 56.19%. The deadline under the JJM to connect every household with tap water ends in 2024. Admitting that some of the divisions in Garo Hills, the work has come to a halt, the PHE minister said that the department has warned the contractors in those divisions and asked them to start the work immediately. The minister said East Garo Hills district is the best performing district with 77.92%, while the worst performing district is the East Giant Hills district.